Shiraz Day, a symbol of Iranian history, culture, and literature. Shiraz, the center of Fars province in southern Iran, has a beautiful landscape in the spring, especially in May. Therefore, May 4th, the 15th of Ordibehesht, according to the Iranian calendar, has been called Shiraz Day. In addition to its unique nature in the spring, Shiraz is considered a historical, cultural, and literary city, and it contains beautiful historical and cultural sites that attract local and foreign visitors. Among the most important archaeological and tourist areas in Shiraz, Bagh Eram or Eram Park, Afifabad Historical Park, Sadi Mausoleum, Atik Mosque, and Takht Jamshid must be mentioned. Shiraz is also the birthplace and tombs of the great Persian poets, Hafiz and Sadi. There are two remarkable monuments in Shiraz. One is dedicated to Hafiz, the master of Persian lyrical poetry. The other one is allocated to Sadi, the author of the famous Gulistan, a book of sonnets called the Garden of Roses.